Hello everybody all across the world watching this video. You are welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's yours truly, Ossy, well known as Ossy Bleu, also known as ATP, whatever you call me, man, but it's Ossy and I'm Sway all day. So on today's video, I am simply going to be showing you guys the basics of how to rap. If you are an aspiring rapper or you love rap and you've been thinking of how you're going to write a 16 bar, or you want to start off like a music career or just do something pertaining to hip-hop and rap, this is the video you should be watching. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you will get all the video contents that I will be posting as soon as I post them. You get what I'm saying? So as soon as you do that, feel free to like, share this video to everybody. So let's get it. As we all know, rap is a complex mix of influences, including elements of speech, prose, poetry, and a lot of songs. So you can learn how to rap simply by listening to the masters, learning rhythms, and practicing lyrics. You get? And honestly, there are no shortcuts to learning how to rap. Like learning the skill as a rapper, you know, you don't become a Kendrick Lamar, a Kanye West, a Lil Wayne overnight. You just have to practice. You have to practice, and you have to practice. So I'll be taking you through the steps, 12 steps to be exact, on how to go about raps. So let's go. Number one, you have to listen to a lot of rap music. Like, you have to listen to a lot of rap music. You have to have ears for rap music. You actually have to love rap music in order to be able to rap. You know, you have to cut across all eras of rap music, from the 80s, the 90s, the early 2000s, late 2010s, up to this very moment. You know, you just have to cut across all generations of rap, and you definitely will be on your way on being a very dope rapper and a great MC. Two, you need to find your rhythm, you know, and finding your rhythm definitely means like finding your style when it comes to raps, as in how you want to sound as a rap artist. Like you listen to, let's say for instance, you listen to Drake, Kendrick Lamar, or you listen to Kanye. Yeah, I know I'm always using Kanye as a good example. So you have to actually find your rhythm and know how to go about. Before you actually start writing your lyrics, you need to find your rhythm. Which of these favorite artists that you listen to across all generations of rap do you resonate with? Like in terms of like when you listen to them, you feel like, okay, I can sound something close to this person, I can sound something close or even better than this person. So you have to find. Number three, you need to rap along to songs, to rap songs that you actually listen to. Like as soon as you have your headphones and maybe your speaker, you're alone or you're in a crowd, you need to be able to rap along to these songs that you like and these rappers that you actually idolize and look up to. You need to be able to rap along to their songs, like while the song is playing, and see how well you can flow and see how you also sound as well. So rapping along to an already made rap song is a very key way on knowing how to rap. Number four, you need to learn how to rap a cappella. You see those songs that you've been rapping along to, you need to be able to rap those same songs a cappella without a beat or anything playing, so you can know the texture of what you might sound like and what you sound like actually, and also improve on how you sound and how you deliver regarding the songs that you've actually rapped along to and gotten your rhythm from. So you have to learn that a cappella, like when you're on your own, you just rap your raps without any instruments. You know what a cappella means? You just voice it, no matter how it sounds, just do it on your own. You can actually look in the mirror while you're doing it, depending on where you draw your own source from. So that a cappella is quite important as well. Write down some lyrics. Yes, this one can be actually like a test of your self-esteem and your morale. as a rapper, especially as an upcoming rapper, you know, when you write down your lyrics. As a starter, as an upcoming person, and you write down your lyrics and it sounds or corny, or when you read it, you don't actually like what you're reading, or you feel you can do better. As a matter of fact, these are just lyrics, so you just pen them down. They don't even need to rhyme. You get? They don't need to rhyme. All you need to do is find the rhythm of how it's going. They don't need to rhyme. So when you've penned down your lyrics, you read them to yourself over and over again, and then you come back later to edit and correct whatever you think should be corrected. But the lyrics to whatever you're writing, to the song you're writing, or to the beat you're writing to, is like a very important part of rap, knowing how to rap, because without your lyrics, there is no song as regards rap music. Number 6, you need to rap constantly. Like, you always need to rap. You just have to be rapping. Like, practicing. It doesn't have to be a song you're practicing. It could be a verse that you love from one of your favorite artists that you've listened to. Just rap. Whichever way it comes out, just rap. Even if it feels like you might be blabbing, just rap. You know what they say, like, practice actually makes you perfect in whatever field that you want to find yourself in. So it doesn't exempt itself when it comes to rap, making rap music, or writing rap songs, or being a rap artist. So wherever you find yourself, whatever you find yourself doing, it has to be inside of you. You need to be breathing it, eating it, sleeping it, dreaming it, spitting it, writing it, freestyling, and even killing it. Just rap. You know what I'm saying? Just rap. Number 7, you need to rap effectively. Like, you need to rap effectively. That is, after writing your own raps, after doing the acapella, after always rapping a lot, you need to rap effectively. And what do I mean by rapping effectively? Rapping effectively simply means like a beat is playing and you're just rapping or freestyling, and you are not really concerned whether it's rhyming or it's not rhyming, but you are on beat, you're flowing on beat. You don't stumble on beat, even if whatever words you say doesn't actually click, or the punchline doesn't connect, the metaphor doesn't connect, and finally it doesn't connect. Just stay on the beat. The main thing is actually your flow, your delivery is what actually makes a rap song dope. Like your raps actually dope. So for starters, do not kill yourself over, okay, I'm trying to rhyme, the rhyme doesn't. No, just rap. Just keep on rapping. Don't stumble on the beat. As soon as you feel like, okay, you're done with this verse or this rapping, just end it in the very normal way, but don't stumble. Don't try to don't feel like, okay, because you didn't get this part, you now choke. Even if you choke, you could even still make references to that you're choking in that your raps, that yes, I choked while I was freestyling. Is still a reference and the flow still continues. So you need to rap effectively also. Number 8 point of how to actually rap as an up and comer: you need to be real. And by real, I mean original. Uniqueness. Like, when you want to rap, forget how they make this video for English language. Oh guy, if not pidgin English way favor you, drop down for pidgin English. People will feel you, people will jive, people will enjoy and say, oh my, you don't hear. You understand? Like the likes of Eriga, the likes of Olamide uses indigenous language. So, oh my guy, don't go to reason say because this person is using English language, it sound no, baba. Or not the inspiration of knock you like this. Almost inspiration, you know. Any language you can be you an Asian language, whichever language, as long as say you are on beat. Do you understand? As long as you are on beat, you are flowing, it's going well. There is no issue. Be original, because that originality is something that is going to take you all the way to wherever you want to make your career as a rapper too. That originality stays with you always. Number 9, try to freestyle. Yeah, no matter how whack it might sound, just try to freestyle. Most of the freestyles we whack, but still freestyle. most of them still freestyle. Those sound corny as ordinary and so whack, and you know that you can do better if you actually write, but just freestyle. Just freestyle, just freestyle. You have nothing to lose. Just freestyle, just freestyle, just freestyle. Drop rhymes, drop lyrics, drop flow. Just bounce to whatever they give to you. It might not be your original style when you write your lyrics and your raps, but when you are freestyling, just open your mind to anything. Just delve into any style. It is called what? A freestyle. Number 10. Yeah, number 10. You need to rap with people that you're comfortable with first. Rap with your friends, people that you hang out with, people that you talk with, you know, people that you just sit, people who just know you, no matter how it's, even if it's just one or two people, just rap to them. You get, let them just feel what you, after you've written your raps, after you've done your freestyle, after your, that point that I gave you where you always have to be rapping. Yes, you can just be rapping to your friends. Sometimes you might say, oh, this one only crowds, this one only mad, but still be rapping to them. And if they're always telling you this one only mad in a very negative way, then you could actually switch up your energy and look for people that have like minds like you, like young rappers that are also on the come up like yourself. They will also encourage you. I had friends like that too, very notable friends too. They will always be there to support you and put you through in whatever line of raps, but always be comfortable to rap with at least or one or two people. Rap to people, you understand, not just anybody. For starts, you get, just rap to people that you are comfortable with, that you're cool with, and people that will actually encourage you to become a better. I have just 10 fingers, I've exhausted them, so 11. Yeah, number 11 points on how to be a very good rapper on come up. Learn to perform. Learn to perform. And whether at big occasions or small occasions or just gathering of 5, 6, 10, 20 people, learn to perform. It will help you kill stage fright, and it will help you improve yourself as a performing artist. You know, you won't just be a rapper. You go from being just a rapper to being an MC. You understand? Being an MC is like one of the top-notch levels when it comes to rap, not just rapping alone. So learn to perform more often. At any given chance you have to perform, at least for starts. You don't really have to be paying you now, so you could just, even if it's just maybe you're in your hostel now, for instance, or you're in your dormitory or wherever you are, just rap. You get it? Performing is almost the same thing as my 10th point that I gave to you. Rap with people, rap to someone, just perform. You understand? But this time around, you're not just rapping without a microphone. When you're performing now, you're rapping with a microphone, so you can understand how to control your microphone. You understand? Like MC, like mic controller. You understand? So you have to perform. You have to actually perform. Find ways to perform. You know, just get acquainted to a microphone set and hear what your voice sounds like over speakers. You understand? So that is the 11th point. And yeah, number 12 the 12 points, yeah, on being an upcoming rapper on the come up, trying to write. After you've written out all your lyrics and all the songs that you've probably written over time, try to record your raps. It's important to record your raps so you can know what you sound like over wax when your music is being played over speakers. Record yourself. It must not be a very big studio, but like these days there are like portable studios where you can just do your stuff. Just record yourself. Remember, it's like a demo you're recording so that you can know where you're actually headed. Since it's like a career or you just want to know how to rap, just find a way to record yourself. And also, this is another bonus I must add: find a mentor, someone that can actually mentor you. The person must not be a rapper. The person, being a hip hop head alone is enough. Being a rap head alone is enough for the person to mentor you. Yeah, and the person too must be willing to mentor you. Just do it. Just do it. Just record yourself. Do what you have to do as far as rap goes. As long as your passion is there, your heart lies there. So don't forget all the points that I mentioned. If you have actually learned something, if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to share this video, like, subscribe to this channel, and click on the post notification bell so that you can get updates of videos that I'll be posting. Look, I can post anything and everything because the reason. So no reason. Yeah, so just click on it and enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching this video to this point, and I remain yours truly, Ossy Bleu. Remain sway all day. Peace.